In a rush for a flavorful protein dish, let's make a Sri Lankan chicken curry. Cut up an organic whole chicken and marinate in spices. As always, mix really well to ensure the flavors are locked in. Add oil to a pan on high heat and saute the ingredients. Once the onions have turned golden brown, add in the marinated chicken and lightly fry. Then add water and boil the chicken before adding the coconut milk. And in a few minutes, it's ready for you to enjoy. Click here to see how to make a traditional lump rice.